So in this episode of Gav Details, we will be washing the truck, which is nothing new. Gotta love wintertime, salt buildup. But we will be comparing the MATCC Snow Foam Lance or Snow Foam Cannon, and the Chemical Guys TORQ Foam Cannon. I have 20 ounces of water in each, and I have 1 ounce of Chemical Guys Gloss Workz car shampoo. Here is the Chemical Guys Gloss Workz Auto Wash. So you can see the difference in the bottles. Chemical Guys bottle is a little bit bigger, and it has this area here probably for easier handling. The foam lance, as you can see them compared to one another here. So the Chemical Guys, the threaded section here, it has a plastic insert, so that should help prevent any wear or cross-threading of the threads on the bottle here. And the MATCC one purchased from Amazon is just brass. You'll also observe that the hose looks to have its larger diameter on the TORQ foam cannon versus the MATCC. We hold these up together. You can see this is MATCC. And then compared with the Chemical Guys. There may be a larger volume of water coming through the lance. They're both pretty much the same on this end here. The snout on the Chemical Guys is a little bit larger also. You do have a adjustment on the top here for more or less foam. So we have them both all the way turned to the right, which would allow you to have the most foam. And the pressure washer we'll be using today is a Ryobi 1600 psi 1.2 gallons per minute electric pressure washer. In one of my previous videos, I do test a Walmart purchased Hyper Tough, which I believe was 1500 psi, but also 1.2 gallons per minute. I went to use that last week, and there was a seal leak, maybe one of the rubber O-rings on the hose connection on the side of it. So first will be the MATCC foam cannon via Amazon. I changed the field of view back to linear on the old GoPro, so now it's the Chemical Guys. my initial impression would be that they create about the same amount. Now this side has obviously been sitting for probably 2 to 3 minutes. So while the truck is still soaking, you can see I used about the same amount, a little bit more out of the Chemical Guys bottle. That may be due to the larger diameter filler straw. I would say you're okay with going with the Amazon purchased MATCC foam cannon. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like any of the products or the truck featured in the video, give the video a thumbs up. And for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.